This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix PUBG Mobile stuck on loading screen issue on iPhone. So whenever you open your PUBG app, you're stuck in loading screen. Don't worry, you can fix this issue if you follow these quick steps. So the first solution is check your internet connection. To check your internet connection, open a browser and open a random website. If the website working properly, it means you don't have any internet connection issue. Then try to follow the second solution. The second solution is enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and after 20 seconds disable airplane mode. And then switch your internet between Wi-Fi or cellular and then check the issue. And the third solution is update the PUBG mobile app. Go to your app store, search for PUBG. If you see any update available, then update the PUBG mobile app and then check the issue. And the fourth solution is offload the PUBG app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage. Here, tap on PUBG. All you have to need just offload the app from here and reinstall it from here. And then check the issue. And the fourth solution is check your iPhone storage. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage. Here you will see your iPhone available storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, then offload or uninstall unnecessary apps from here. And then free up your iPhone storage and then check the issue. And the last solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.